Hello everyone, João here with Audient, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your ID44 in a live scenario to route your backing tracks and metronome for your live show. Let's get into it. If you're lucky enough to own one of these, you have 4 outputs at your disposal, this or the ID22. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to make the most out of all of them. So to make this work, you'll need your laptop, your DAW of choice, and the ID44. You'll bring these out with you, and from the DAW, you will play everything and route everything out to the interface. So it's a very simple setup. I got a new session here in Reaper. You can do it in any DAW. You're going to need 3 tracks. Reaper doesn't distinguish, but one should be stereo and the other 2 need to be mono. The first track is going to be our actual backing tracks. So all the instruments we're not playing live. The second one is going to be your metronome track. And the third one, we have an output left. Backing tracks are going to take output 1 and 2. Metronome is going to take output 3. And for 4, which we have extra, I like to send bass drops. I play in a progressive metal band with lots of climactic explosion moments, bass drop moments, and having the extra output to send those out to front of house can be a lifesaver. Now that we have the 3 tracks created, let's get to importing. I have my audios ready. So first you import your backing tracks. This is going to be literally every instrument that you're not playing live and you need to accompany your band.
A wild heart beats ever faster, aching and longing.
So this is my band Fifth Empire's song Euphoria. We have, you can see organ, piano. We even have a speech in the background. So everything you're not performing, you can either ask your mixing engineer for stems for these parts you're not playing live, or if you recorded yourself, just go to the recording session and you print it by muting the bass, drums, guitars, or whatever you're actually playing. Then you're going to import your metronome. Here it is, looking nice and metronome-y. Then you're going to import whatever you want to put on track 4. Like I said, I'm going to put the explosions and bass drops. Very nice. Is there a bigger one? There's a bigger one. We have lots of fun. After that, all you need is to correctly route them to the outputs on the interface. So this is how it's done in Reaper. You go to the routing of the track. You disable the master send so that you don't hear it twice. And then it's here, audio hardware outputs. Backing tracks are going to be analog 1 and 2. Metronome is going to be analog 3. And bass drop is going to be analog 4. Disabling the master send once again. Now the final piece of the puzzle is here in the ID mixer page. You're going to open your ID mixer, make sure that everything is coming out of the correct outputs. Looking good. So the first thing we're going to do is split DAW 3 and 4 into mono tracks so that this is our click and this is our bass drop in mono. And then we're going to need to set up Q mixes for each of the outputs. So in QA, you're going to put the metronome up, and in QB, you're going to put the bass drops up. Now you have to open your system panel and correctly tell the ID44 to send those cues to those outputs. So you'll split 3 and 4 again. Watch out that you're not playing any audio through your DAW. And 3 is going to be QA and 4 is going to be QB. I have connected the outputs 3 and 4 to my speakers, so if everything is correct, I should be hearing the backing tracks in my headphones, metronome on the left speaker and bass drops on the right speaker. So there you go, very simple. If you're the lucky owner of one of these, you'll have an increase in the quality of your live show with this very simple setup. Thank you for watching.